Ha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! That's a lot of money in this box. Ooh, look at me, guys. I'm so fancy with my first BoxyCharm. Look at that cute little heart on the back of the box. Love it. Alright, let's not spend a lot of time on the box. Let's see what's inside the box. I did order this a lot later than most people, so I expect anybody curious has already gotten this box, but... Oh, hello, Charmer. That's cute. Hashtag BoxyCharm. Let's see what we got. I've never done BoxyCharm before. Oh, that is our spoiler paper. Alright, this looks like this should be the first thing. Clean Bee from Pharmacy, and it is Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. Alright, so I guess I should put that in the shower? Yeah, it says apply to wet skin, so definitely something I will put in the shower. Now we have, ooh, No Poreblem Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. I am really glad, uh-oh, it's a little bit loose up here. I am really glad to get this because I don't have a lot of primers, so that is excellent. And they are super expensive in the stores from what I've seen. By the way, if you don't know the context of this channel, I know nothing about makeup and I'm just learning. So, ooh, fun little bits. Oh my, look at the name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is why I started a new channel and didn't put this in with the toy videos. Because some of this makeup is named some crazy stuff. Wow, that brush seems really long to me, but then again, I really almost never use mascara. But I do love Too Faced, so I will definitely try to give mascara a try without crying. Then we have, and my dyslexia is really gonna start being a problem right now, Trestique Primer Inside. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, here we go. Prime and Color Lip Glaze. So I don't know if that's like a lipstick or a lip gloss or something you put on top of it. I'll have to read the card at the end. I know I have nothing like it though, so yay me! Okay, and looks like our last thing. Pretty Vulgar. It looks like a powder, maybe a highlighter? It says nothing on the back. Okay, it looks kind of shimmery, so I'm gonna guess that that is a highlighter. But why would they call it Pretty Vulgar? It's such a pretty case. Maybe that's the pretty part. I would call it pretty. And here is my Afterglow card, which again, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I made a separate channel for makeup stuff because this feels like an R-rated unboxing with these names. Okay, what have we got? Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, check. Ooh, $24, my goodness. Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Okay, it was a highlighter, great. $32, my goodness. Touch in Soul. Oh, Touch in Soul, that was the No Poreblem Primer. I just didn't catch the name of the company down there. Let me do that again. See, it's there. No Poreblem Primer, Touch in Soul. Retail value $18. Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser $22, and then the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crown. Okay, so it's a crown. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of shiny color. Okay, $25. Oh my goodness, that is like, that's a lot of money in this box. So let's see, I paid like, what was it, like $22 for the box, and here we're at $24, $32, that's $56, plus $18, $74, plus $22, $96, and then $25, $121, I think? My gosh, that's a lot. Just to make sure, yep, nothing else inside the box, no other little cards or bits to look for. Let's see if I can set up a nice little picture shot. Come back. Ah, I should have pulled that back the whole time. I'll set you up to be a nice photo. La 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 la. Okay, here we go. And with that, I'm gonna thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that stuff. Love ya!